Hello everyone, this is Angel Wings International Tourism and welcome to our featured video of the week. I am Rico.
I am Star as your travel consultant. Maayong gabi sa inyong lahat.
Ayan! Hello to our ka-angels anywhere in the world, and today we are going to discuss a very specific topic na very important service ng Angel Wings International Tourism, which is the process of UAE visa. So, Star, ano nga ba para sa iyo i-share mo sa ating mga kababayan, what is a UAE visa?
So, UAE visa, it's very important. It's a proper document. So, ito ay nagsisilbing permit nyo para makapunta kayo sa UAE. So, regardless man if you have Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or Queen or Sharjah visa, as long as you have any type of visa, you are in UAE, then it allows you to stay here in UAE.
Yan. And of course, para sa ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas, if you are interested of visiting the United Arab Emirates, you need to apply and acquire for a valid Dubai visa. So, there are questions of what is the difference between a tourist and visit visa. Can you enlighten them?
Actually, upon applying tourist visa and visit visa, they're just the same. They're just one document. They're called tourist visa. But directly, kung dumaan ka sa Philippine Immigration, kapag sinabi nyo you are in a visit visa, directly yung immigration, they will think na may kakalala ka kayo dito sa UAE or you have family na pupuntahan. So if you will say naman na tourist visa lang talaga kayo, pure tourist, it means magtutour lang kayo solely by yourself or with your family na wala kayong pinupuntahan.
But basically, the bottom line is Dubai visa is, ang naka-indicate sa visa is tourist visa. So it will not matter if you're saying you're going to visit a relative here or kung magtutour kayo dito sa Dubai, because your Dubai visa is still the same as tourist visa. So how about the duration? So how long they can stay here or the number of days here na pwede nilang i-apply? This also goes for other nationalities as well.
So for UAE tourist visa, so we have 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. But however, there are some nationalities that they're not allowed to use 90 days. So of course, you have to inquire to us, you have to check na possible po ba na ma-apply kayo ng ganito ang kataas na visa.
Yeah. So for the information of our friends in the Philippines and any other nationalities, there is 30, 60, and 90 days UAE visa. However, you still need to inquire from us and we will check if you are qualified to apply on those number of days duration of your visa.